Hello you guys, hello, welcome in to the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicky. Today's craft is going to be kind of cute. Little wood brown birds. This is what they look like. How cute is that, right? And they're double-sided and they smell good too. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how. I've got 3 different types here. I'm going to show you how I put mine together so you can do your own. Supply list will be at the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, share, drop me a comment and say hi. Let me know you were here. Let me know what you would do different with yours. And we're just going to jump right in and get started. We're going to do 3 birds 3 different ways. So here's the bodies of our bird friends. And these 2, obviously this one I already glued on. So it's just 2 wood rounds, a small one and a little bit larger one, and we just put their base like as if, you know, they needed something to sit on. So we got to decide where the mouth is going to go at one end and the tail is going to go the other end. This one turned out perfect because of the way it's shaped. This is going to be where the tail comes out, and this is going to be its front. You'll see when it comes to light. I think we're going to go with this one. We're going to go this way. And then say with this one, this is also looks really good. This is going to be the front. This is going to be a really good one, and this is going to be our tail on this bird here. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put beaks on our birds. We're just going to take, this is orange stiff felt, and we're just going to make a triangle for their beaks. Sometimes I start out a little bigger than I wanted to, just to kind of make sure it's going to be a good size. I kind of like that. So there's his little look. He's starting to look like a bird. Now we've got beaks on all 3 of them, and we need tails. We'll do tails first and then the wings. So for the tails, I don't know if any of you have seen these in the Dollar Tree. They're kind of year-round. They show up, they don't show up. They have 2 different types. There's the eucalyptus one, and there's the cinnamon one, and they're in the floral section at the Dollar Tree. I thought they always just had the cinnamon one, but there was a point in time where I just found the eucalyptus one. You know, it works. I already have made some of these birds previously with the eucalyptus. So with this little thing, it's super easy. Just take a bunch of it, just kind of pull it apart. And cut it off. So we still have this little section here, and you could just fan it out like a tail, like so. Just gotta group it together, kind of hold it together, and just fan it out. Yeah, a little messy. And then we're going to glue it here at the tail portion of our bird. Bird's got some tail feathers. I do want to kind of trim his feathers. So he's got a very long tail. I don't know if I like that. We're gonna trim it to about here, I think. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side because I kind of want him to be a little bit uniformal. You know, we're just gonna do the same thing. Do be careful with the hot glue in your fingers. Some of these got a little wild and crazy here. We're going to kind of just trim those back. Just going to trim it just a little bit so it matches the other side. So now he's got tail feathers on both sides. Now he needs little wings. So like I said, we've got 3 different birds. One is going to have white. The other is going to have burlap. And the third is going to have metal. So this one I want to do the white burlap. So this is just scrap white burlap. And we just need to make a wing. So basically we need to make a dewdrop. So always make it big at first. That's a little big still. So always just work with one side. That's cute. And then we'll make a second one to match. Yep. And a second one. Careful with the hot glue. Alright, now to finish him off, like I said, he's really super easy. We're just going to take a Posca pen. This is just a black Posca pen, so paint pen. You can use a marker, you can use, you know, a writing pen, use a hole punch, you could do googly eyes, whatever you want to do. There's my bird's eye. On that side. And there he is on the other. So cute. All right, that's one bird. Like I said, he's got the white wings. Okay, let's make the other two birds. I might end up running out of stuff I'm cutting here, but that's okay. I can open up another bag. Here. But the body portion of it is pretty much made the same way on all of them. We're just doing different style wings on it. On this bird, I'm just going to leave these kind of long because he's got a little short stubby body, so it's kind of fun. We're going to leave him long. This one, we're going to go ahead, I'm going to do the eyes first, just so I want to know where his eyes are. This one, we'll go ahead and we'll do the burlap wings. This is, I believe, from just from the Dollar Tree. Just ribbon burlap. That's all it is. I kind of like, it's always a dewdrop is what you're looking for. The dewdrop shape. Just a tiny bit too big. And then we're just going to match it up with this side. Voila. Wing on that side. A wing on this side. So he's two-sided. So cute. Okay. So we got white burlap, brown burlap. Now this one is going to be metal. Let's go ahead, let's keep this with the eucalyptus ones. That's what I'm already smelling. Might as well keep up with the smelly part here. And we're going to do his eye. Now for the metal wings, I have this, this is a cookie cutter, or that cookie sheet from Dollar Tree. I've already cut out other things from it. So I just have these scraps. So since I just have these scraps, we're just going to do that just to make it easier. This is textured, which I love. It's super easy to cut. It's very soft metal, but still be very careful because it's still metal and it could touch you. So please, 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 very careful. It could still cut you. You could also do this with like tin foil. Would probably work as well if you wanted to do something like that. I just kind of like the texture on this. But if you take tin foil and maybe like crinkle it up or something, like that might be kind of fun too. Two. And we're just going to hot glue these on, but I may need to do like E6000 or something because it is metal. This glue may not hold it on, but we're going to try it. And there we go, our little metal bird. Okay, so now to completely finish it off, I'm going to put some, we've got this little bit of Spanish moss, just a little bit around the base of our bird. I think will be really cute, just around to finish off his base. Haircut there. There we go. It's a very easy, simple project, but it can be a little messy. But so I'm going to do that with all of our bird friends here. All right, so that is our project for today. Really easy. You can get the wood rounds anywhere that sells wood rounds. You can get them online, or you can Hobby Lobby. I've seen them sometimes. Every once in a while, you may be able to find them at the Dollar Tree. But in the craft stores really have these, or you can get them online, readily available. If you don't want to do the wood rounds, you do cardboard. Do a little cardboard round piece. Like that would be really cute as well. Or you could do just a regular wood circle or oval. That would work too. All right, keep coming back to the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.